Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your free torrent from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and let's get started. First of all, copy your torrent wallet address from deposit. Click in deposit, come down in here, you will find your torrent wallet address, copy and come in this website. Paste your torrent wallet address in this dialog box in here and just click login. Okay, after login, come down and just click continue in here. Wait few seconds to show you one page, pop-up page, and you can solve the captcha. Okay, you can see this page will be show you. First of all, solve this captcha step by step, every word. Just click it. It's not too hard, it's too easy to solving. Then click the recaptcha, just click it and solve it, the recaptcha, and just click verify captcha. Wait few seconds, you can see this website, pay me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay, go to overview, I come down, and in here you can see I receive my torrent instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.